Hi guys, I'm Danny from Green Farm Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfect barista milk. Before we start, we're going to need a few simple ingredients. We're going to need a traditional espresso setup like this, a milk pitcher, some cold, preferably full fat milk, a cloth, a cup and a thermometer. Before we start, we just want to make sure that everything is clean. We've got no leftover milk, no burnt milk on our steam arm, and this will just make sure that we get the best tasting milk that we possibly can. When we are making milk, we need to pick the right size pitcher. When we're putting milk in the pitcher, we're only ever going to fill it about half full. This is because as we steam milk, we're putting air into it and we're going to be spinning the milk, so it's going to come up the sides. As the milk expands, it will raise in the jug, and if we've got too much in there to begin with, it's going to flow over the top, make a horrible mess, and it's just not going to look good. So only ever fill your jug half full. For a traditional 12-ounce cup, you're looking at a pitcher about this size, half full, ready to go. So to demonstrate the correct technique that we are going to use when frothing our milk, I'm just going to show you quickly with this glass of water. So if we imagine this is our milk pitcher with our milk in it, when we first start, we want the tip of the steam wand like this to be fully submerged in the milk. By doing this, it stops any air getting in too early. As soon as we've turned on the steam on and the power's coming in, we're going to drop the level of our pitcher right down so that the end of the steam wand is right on the surface of the milk. By doing this, we are encouraging air into the milk and we're going to get our froth. I'm going to hold it here for a cappuccino for about 4 to 6 seconds, for a flat white about 3 to 4 seconds, and the longer you hold it there, as you guessed, the more foam we're going to get. Once we've got the desired amount of foam into our milk, we're then going to bring it back up so we've got the end of our steam wand submerged again. As we're doing this, we're looking to put the jug on a bit of an angle so that we can encourage the milk to spin. And all we're doing by spinning the milk is we're getting the air that we've created from the top into the bottom and creating a silk-like texture all the way through the milk that we're looking for. Using the same technique as I've shown you with the water, we're now going to steam our milk. So, before we steam our milk, we need to decide how we're going to get the temperature. There's two main ways of doing this, one by touch or one using the thermometer. If we're going to do it by touch, we want to be taking the temperature from the bottom of the jug, as this is the last place to heat up. If we're taking the temperature from the top, we're not going to get a true reading and we're going to stop the milk before it's quite hot enough. When we're using a thermometer, you just need to make sure that you stop the milk before it reaches the exact temperature. This is because the thermometer has got a slight delay on it, and otherwise you're going to end up overheating and burning your milk. So once you've decided which way you're going to get the temperature, now time to steam our milk. Before we start steaming, we need to make sure that we purge our steam arm, as so. And all that does is get rid of any leftover milk or water that's in our steam arm, because otherwise that's going to get into our fresh milk and it's just not going to make it taste as good as it possibly can. So, purge steam arm. I like to hold my milk jug with the spout resting against the steam arm, as this just makes it more secure and stops the jug from swaying around. So I'm going to turn the milk on straight away with the steam wand slightly submerged under the milk, and I'm going to drop it down the spout to let that air in. You can hear the air going into the milk. Now I've got the desired amount of air, I'm just going to leave it spinning until I reach the desired temperature. Once I get to the desired temperature, I'm going to shut it off straight away to make sure we don't overheat the milk. Now, before I do anything else, wipe my steam arm clean, purge it so it's ready to go for the next service. If you get any bubbles in your milk, easy, quick bang and a swirl, and that will encourage them into the foam and give you the microfoam milk that we're looking for. Now I'm going to pour my milk into my espresso shot, and I'm pouring for a latte. So I'm going to start low, come high, and then when I want the froth out, I'm going to come right down close and just encourage it out. So here we go. And now I want the foam to come out, so I'm going to come right down to the crema and just encourage it out and get some nice latte out like so. Thanks for watching guys, and make sure you check out our next video that's going to be all about different types of latte art.